What is up, guys, and welcome back. In the last video we did complete the whole center console. In this video we are going to focus on completing the interior 100% other than the seat belts and the steering wheel, which we are waiting on. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to work. So we do have the driver's side complete with the seats. Now what we're going to do is actually throw in the center seat from the other side and then repeat the same thing what we did on the driver's side on the passenger side. So we completed the seats. Now let's go ahead and complete the door panels.
Alright guys, as you can see, we are pretty much almost finished with the interior. We got little touch-ups to do, but it is getting dark and this is our last day that we are working on it. So we want to go ahead and actually throw the roof on it right now and wash it, right? Since we got still some daylight. And then we're going to take it back into the shop, finish some touch-ups, go over what we did and why we did it, and pretty much go from there. So let's go ahead and throw the roof on it and give it a nice wash. Alright, so we did throw the roof on and give it a nice wash. It was sitting in the shop for a few days, few weeks, and it was basically covered in dust. So unfortunately it did get dark outside, so we couldn't show you guys the interior. So we're going to catch you guys tomorrow in the morning. They should be picking up the Hummer, I don't know, either in the morning or at the end of the day. I'm not sure, they said Wednesday. So we will catch you guys tomorrow in the morning and we're going to do some nice B-rolls of the whole interior and we're going to kind of explain of everything we did and why we did it. Alright guys, this is the second day, so let's go over the Hummer and actually show you guys what we did to it. So let's start off with all the plastics in the car. So we did end up repairing all the plastics, and the reason to that is because they are pretty pricey. They're around about $400 just for the door panels alone. And as for the trimmings, we did end up vinyl wrapping all of them. It cost us about $100 to just vinyl wrap all of them. And if we were to do just real forged carbon or real carbon fiber or even aluminum like they sell it, you know, aluminum sells for around what, 2,800 around there. If we were to do real forged carbon, it runs about 3,000 to 4,000. And I mean, this car is an off-road car. It's probably going to be used to drive around swamps and stuff, so I'm pretty sure Damon and Dave do not want to spend, you know, over $30,000 on interior that's pretty much going to get ruined, right? So you need interior that you could just pressure wash and you're not going to feel bad about it, you know. For the seats and the door panels, we ended up going with suede as requested, and it's because of all the heat that's going on in Canada. It's going to be their summer car. They're going to drop the roof, and you know, everybody knows it sucks to sit on black leather. And all the diamond cut stitching is actually the same color as the Humvee. You can't really tell on camera from far away, but in person you can tell. And the seat belts, we are going to be removing them, and we are going to be color matching them to the exterior of the car, and we're just going to ship them out there, and they're going to get installed wherever the car is going to be. Other than the seat belts, the steering wheel is also going to get changed from this ugly brown to match the interior, but that's going to be already up to Damien and Dave which steering wheel they're going to want to go with. So from our side, this build is complete, and we were in touch with DDE throughout the whole build. We did everything they requested pretty much, and I hope they like it, and also I hope you guys like this build as well. But that is going to be it, so make sure to smash the subscribe button. Also follow us on our Instagram F1 Builds, and we will catch you guys in the next.